supported that. So yes, that's it. Thank you.
All the best, and I would say Charlie Shloka. Yeah, all the best. Thank you. Elnaz.
Charlie's Angel.
Yeah, that's the reason I made it to Charlie
Angel.
Shloka.
Charlie's Angel.
Oh, right. Elnaz.
Elnaz, how was your experience? Some fun anecdote. We want to know the full musty because you said you're completely mad on
Yeah.
social media. What was the fun element that happened on the set while
Oh.
shooting the entire film?
Oh, listen. There are a lot of funny things that happen on set, but I guess the most fun factor was for us that we didn't know how it's going to be shooting with the gorilla. I mean, I don't know about the rest of the people, but when I landed on set and it was so hard, you know? We just didn't think that. And I don't know if the producers knew or not, but so much work was there for everyone behind the scenes. You're just thinking, okay, we're going to have a gorilla in there, but you don't know.
When you wear that, you know it.
Yeah,
Clearly.
but, I
You
mean,
guys didn't wear it. Right?
I mean, I was wearing, you
I
will
did.
see, in the film, mostly I'm wearing that, the leather jacket, you remember? And I was dying in the heat. And constantly I was thinking, this poor guy in this gorilla suit, like, how is he even alive yet, you know? So we were facing all of this, but then still it went so well. We had so much fun. I remember Sir used to, in the middle of shots, he used to play Iranian songs, like newly released Iranian songs, and I'd be like, how do you even know these things, you know? So we had a lot of fun. All these things happened, and it was nice. It was just great.
Crazy. Thank you. Thank you so much. And as you mentioned that, yes, it is a task for that heat to manage and still pull it off. And all of you have done a wonderful job.
Yes.
That we've seen got a glimpse in the trailer. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now with that, हमने camaraderie, chemistry Toto की देख ली है, पर we want with Charlie, but we want to see with the entire makers, the crew. So why don't we get Toto back on stage? क्योंकि ये बंदर जो है गाएगा भी, नाचेगा भी, हंसाएगा भी, सब कुछ कराएगा.
सुपरस्टार है.
तो बुलाया जाए प्लीज.
100%.
बुला लो यार, तुम्हारा यार है तो टोटो को
ओ
बुला लो.
टोटो
Hi, my darling.
टोटो's here. गाना भी है. आप सभी को.
Hello.
चलो चाली के पीछे. Why don't
One,
you?
two, one, two,
श्लोका ने भी
dance.
बोल दिया कि she
चलो,
loves dancing,
come
so go
on.
for it. Shake a
So
leg.
you know, all
Let's
have to
do
follow a
this.
step. It's a very simple step.
Please.
It's his famous step that he's only made up. So
Teach us.
टोटो के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Come on everybody. Thank you. Thank you Toto. Thank you so much.
you. Okay, come.
Let me. Yeah. Do you want to?
थक गया
Toto?
You want to go backstage? Okay. Okay, go.
उसे देख के please.
Oh God, sorry.
No worries.
Sir, did you
I
dance?
have taken the wrong seat.
Stage हिला डाला है completely उसने. And Vijay sir, it was great seeing you also shaking your legs. So because you know they said the Pankaj sir said, "Bhai, the child in you comes alive," and everybody has a child. Jackie sir also said, so we want to bring out that child in us, and that's what it
sure.
got out. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Sachin.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, वक्त तो चला. I know सचिन इतनी सारी बातें करता है और लोग बोलेंगे बस कर यार, बस कर. But yes, I know we need to open the floor for the media Q&A, and for the same, I will open it for here, the friends who are here from media, and also for all those who've joined us in the virtual space. Thank you for staying with us. I know your questions have come into the chat box, which will be penned down and be given to me. And if you still have questions, go for it. We still have time. We have all of them here. And so can I request one of our volunteers to please pass me the questions if you have? Thank you. Sorry?
तो वैसे 16 रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं. Actually, 16 reflectors on
Uh,
open your eyes.
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ना मुझे आता नहीं है. मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि ये जिसने भी लिखा है, I do justice to this. So,
Prescription.
yeah, generally it happens. It's only a pharmacist to understand. So,
We all have that
check this out. So, all right, I think we should do a mix of it, right? If you guys agree, we should do a mix of on-ground as well as virtual, so that we have a balanced amount of questions coming from both the sides. So I think I've been told Himesh from Pink Villa wants to ask a question, who's joined us here. So Himesh, if you could hand over the mic to Himesh. Hi Himesh. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Adar, over here, straight.
Hi.
Firstly, the trailer looks funny, really funny.
Thank you so much.
My question to you is, this is an adventure comedy and you had to be with the gorilla all through the film. What was your prep like?
What is the prep like?
Yeah.
Well, the prep for the film, as you know, like any other film, you prep for your character. You do script readings, you do workshops with the director. But I think Pankaj sir never wanted us to really, feel rehearsed on set. As you know, comedy is very spontaneous. It's all about acting and reacting and being in the moment. So he said कि आपका performance को इतना rehearse मत बनाओ. So just come on set and enjoy. And we have a gorilla who's so loving and he's amazing on set to be with basically. And he's very responsive to anything that you do. So it made everyone's job easier, I think. I can speak for everyone. Preparations were that. I am also driving a truck in the film. So I had to learn how to drive a truck, learn how to drive a scooter, which I had never done before. So that was also really, really interesting. And like I said earlier, I love animals. So just being with an animal was very, very easy for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Himesh, for your question. Next question, I think Amit Chati from Aaj Tak. Did I say that right? Amit from Aaj Tak? Is Amit here? Hi,
जैकी
Amit.
सर या जैकी सर आपका ये मुझे आपकी एक फिल्म याद आ गई किंग अंकल आपने एक फिल्म की थी बहुत साल पहले बच्चों की सो यू हैव डन फ्रॉम हीरो टू विलन ऑल काइंड ऑफ रोल्स बट एक फैमिली फिल्म होती है बच्चों के लिए ऑडियंस होता है सो हाउ वाज इट creating this whole family entertainer amidst the loads of work loads of films that you have done कितना मुश्किल है कितना आसान होता है ऐसी फिल्म जो बहुत सिंपल होती है जिसका एम सिर्फ हंसाना होता है
हंसाना एम सबसे मुश्किल होता है दोस्त रुलाना आसान होता है मगर ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स हों तो आसान हो जाता है काम ऐसे लेखक हो तो काम आसान हो जाता है मैं कुछ इतना गुणकार नहीं हूँ मगर ऐसे लोग होते हैं तो उनको मैं समझता हूँ तो बड़ा आसान कर देते ये लोग और इस पिक्चर में काम करने का मुझे पहले जब इन्होंने कहा कि कहानी बताई उन्होंने तो मुझे तो लग गया कि बच्चा और पूरे परिवार की पिक्चर है पारिवारिक फिल्म है मैं घुस गया आंख बंद करके और फिर सुना कि रितेश है तो मेरे को क्या फिक्र है मैं तो फ्लो कर रहा हूँ बॉस टाइड के साथ ले रहे इन लोग संभाल रहे इन लोग मैं अपनी सिंसियरिटी दे रहा हूँ और मेरा बचपना जो इन्होंने निकालने की कोशिश की उसमें नहीं कैरेक्टर में नहीं जब देखने में तो आई थिंक यू रियली ब्रिलियंट बॉय
Thank you, sir.
सिंसियरली माय ब्रदर कुछ लेना देना नहीं आगे लेना ले तू भारी है
Thank you, Amit, for your question. Thank you so much. And now let's hop to the virtual world and these are friends who've joined us from the online world as well. We've got a question here from Rama from Asian Age, and the question is for Shloka.
Okay.
With Hello Charlie, you are foraying into Bollywood. What are you looking forward to the most?
I mean, I just want everyone to love me and give me a warm welcome. That's what any newcomer would want. That's all I really want, and I just want to entertain everybody and do good work and create good content, and that's what I look forward to doing. That's my aim, so definitely that, yeah.
She said that she wants everybody to love her, right?
Yes,
So-
please!
Hold on. I love you. All the best. All the
Thank
best to
you,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. And all right, there's another question coming in from the virtual space, which is from Priyanka from Indian Express, and it's for Ritesh sir. As Hello Charlie releases under the banner of Excel Entertainment, what made you say yes to this film? Also, we would like to know what goes in your mind while selecting scripts like these.
Okay. What made us say yes to the film is like any other film, it's the script. And like we do with most, I think, I mean, whatever genre of film you do, there's not, like I said, like in Excel, we have various films, various genres. right? But as long as you identify with it, as long as you relate, there's some way of an emotional connect, whether it's with the humor, it's with the action, it's anything. You know, and as long as you identify and you're willing to go on to that journey, is what we look for. So I think that happened on Hello Charlie as well. You know, we related to it, we identified with it, we thought this does lend itself of becoming into a visually engaging film, and that's what we wanted to do with it. So I think, and whatever we choose, I mean, these are the stories we want to tell, and it all stems down to one thing, is just be 100% honest with it, that if you identify with it and you relate to it, you'll be able to convince a billion other people to feel the same. So that it just comes from that.
Connect is the key, and we've already connected to it through the trailer, so thank you. Next question is coming from the online world, which is from Divya Solagama from Bollywood Spy. It's for Elnaz. And the question is, as we have seen in the trailer, you have an interesting pairing, Jackie Shroff. Please tell us, how was it working with him in this film?
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, as I said, it was a lot of fun. I have a lot of BTS of us doing crazy stuff on set. He's a lot of fun to work with, you know. We all had so much of fun with him cracking jokes and doing the funny things that he always does on set. And I am very, very fortunate and lucky to be able to work with Sir. I mean, I was like over the moon when I got to know that he's going to be in the film. Yeah, I was, honestly. I was very happy. I was like, okay. So, yeah, and as I said, with the Iranian songs, we had a lot more fun. I was like, oh my God, he listens to the songs I listen to. That's cool. Yeah, it was beautiful. Beautiful experience with each one of them. Not only with Sir, with each one of them. It was so much fun. Me and Shloka bonded so well.
Yes.
And I loved seeing how Adar has just become this great actor in this film. It's incredible.
Nice of you to say.
Seriously, everything was beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you, Divya, for your question. And we've got another question here from Pooja Samant from Lokmat. Hi, Pooja.
Oh.
Can I request the volunteers to please hand over the mic?
Hi everyone, I congratulate each and every one of you. The trailer is very interesting, very funny, and I completely trust this is a very family entertainer film. Everyone should like and will like it. My question is to Adar. Adar, do you think this is your relaunch film? And my second question is, do you feel pressure being Kapoor and Jain's?
Ma'am, to answer your first question, I only look at this as my second film. I don't know about a relaunch or anything. I am very, very happy to be associating and collaborating with Excel Entertainment and Ritesh sir and Farhan sir. You know, I've loved all their films, you know, right from Dil Chahta Hai to Hello Charlie. And I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I'm grateful for Pankaj sir to have given me this opportunity. I'm working with such an excellent cast. Amazon, sir, you've also come in, and it's great. I couldn't have asked for anything better. It's an amazing film. It really touches people. It's made to make you feel happy and spread happiness in a time of such stress, you know. So that's our aim with this movie. And to answer your second question, ma'am, no, I don't feel any pressure of being part of a Kapoor family or a Jain family. I'm here. I understand that my family has achieved a lot. You know, they've been contributing for the last 75 years, and I'm very proud of everything that they've achieved. You know, and at the same time, I don't want to be known as Raj Kapoor's grandson. I want to be known for being Adar Jain. I want to create my own identity. I want to do good films, do different characters, and just keep improving with every film that I do. And so, yeah, I feel like instead of this outside pressure, I put self-imposed pressure to do better and better. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja, for your question. And मैं कहूँगा कि मेरा आदर आपके लिए और भी बढ़ गया है, because you're so grounded when you speak. So,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for being you. Thank you. And next question is from Raj from ABP. Is Raj here? Hi, Raj. Can I request the volunteers to please hand over the mic to Raj? Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Raj Dikshit here from ABP News. Congratulations for such an amazing promo. विजय जी, आपसे मेरा सवाल है, आज की तारीख में जितने भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं वो मोस्टली क्राइम बेस्ड स्टोरीज बता रहे हैं. इस कहानी को लेकर आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं? बिकॉज जब ये रिलीज़ हो रही है इसके एक दिन पहले और सेम डे आपका कंपटीशन कुछ और स्टोरीज से है और ये काफ़ी अलग है, एंटरटेनिंग है, तो कितने कॉन्फिडेंट आप हैं?
बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं हम. शुरुआत से हमने Amazon प्राइम वीडियो पे कॉमेडी पे काफ़ी ज़ोर दिया है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इन दैट जॉनर. अगर आप देखेंगे तो हमारे काफ़ी शोज़ हैं कॉमेडी स्पेस में, स्टैंड अप स्पेशल्स हैं, अलग अलग पिक्चरें भी हैं. भले वो इंटरनेशनल हो लोकल हो, उससे हम कोई मायना नहीं रखते, क्योंकि हमको पता है कि कॉमेडी इज़ एवरग्रीन. तो वी आर वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म. आई एम ऑल्सो इक्वली कॉन्फिडेंट दैट द मूवी इन इट्स सक्सेस, एंड सक्सेस इज समथिंग दैट यू विल ऑल सी वेरी होपफुली वेरी सून, encourages more people to write comedy. फ़िलहाल पिक्चरें नहीं बनती हैं कॉमेडी में ज़्यादातर, and I'm very confident that once we premiere this to the world, a lot of more fresh comedy ideas will take center stage. So we're very excited, and I think it's important to recognize that the thing about comedy is twofold. One is it appeals to everyone, and the other is just the repeat value. It remains endless. You can go back to watching it again and again. You can see parts of it. You can go and see certain scenes or dialogues, and the beauty about Prime Video is it allows you to do all of that. So I'm pretty sure this film is going to have a lot of catchphrases come out of it, and I'm hoping again that through the success of Hello Charlie, the ecosystem is energized enough to put out more comedy scripts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Raj, for your question. And we also have Ruchita from TOI who has a question. Ruchita? Is Ruchita here?
Hi, how are you all? I'm Ruchita from TOI. Firstly, Adar, congratulations. The trailer is really very nice. So how did you come on board for the film?
How do
In a suit?
Well, actually, I met Ritesh sir 2018, and I think at that time, he had spoken to me about this film that he was developing, and I found it very, very interesting, and he wanted to see a screen test. He wanted me to audition for the film to see if I suit the role, suit the part, and I gave an audition, and then I think about 2 or 3 months later, that's when Pankaj sir called me, and he narrated the entire script to me, and he said that I can't say what he said, but he said that you suit the part, and you have that simplicity and that innocence that we're looking for in the boy. So I think that's how it all happened. And we did a lot of workshops, we did a lot of readings of the script, and that's how the film happened for me. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchita, for your question. Thank you so much, and I think that's all the time we have for Q&A. I know a lot of questions will be there, but apologize because time constraint. And thank you to all the friends from the virtual world who've joined us in, all the friends from the media. Thank you for joining us. And now it's the all-important moment to capture this moment.